So angry that I have to share with you guys where I got this lights from, because it's not sponsored, and everything they put me through, this video should be freaking sponsored. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be doing something that I've been manifesting and wanting to do for so long. You guys, I finally got me a makeup light. It's not a ring light. If you know me, you know I've been wanting this LED panel light for so freaking long now, and I finally got it. I got this light from Austin 7070. They're a very popular lights and photography store in Abuja. But the reason that I put up with Austin was just because it was 18,000 instead of 30,000. Like, that's the only reason I took all that rubbish customer service. Yeah, so this is what the light looks like. Comes in this nice little box. Guys, this light is so small, I can't explain it to you, and that's the best part. Like, it's small, but what it can do. So this is how the light is. This is an LED panel light. So just going to open up the box for you guys, and this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like inside. I'll just whip out the light for you guys. You guys need to, like, look at this. This is the whole life. Can your ring light ever, like, I can put this in my backpack and just go. I can put this anywhere and move. Like, it's smaller than a notebook. I feel like that's what really attracted me to this light. I was like, how could something be so bright and so compact and portable? So this is it. This is the light. So yeah, it actually comes with a tripod, but the tripod is a separate price from the light. The light is 18,000 and the tripod is 5,000. I'll show you the tripod right now, guys. This tripod is really tall. As you can see, it's from Austin. So this is what it is for me. Can you guys see? And I haven't finished. Okay, I have. So let me just bring this down to a level so we can see the light. You know what I'm saying? Freaking long. So basically, I got this whole contraption now. That's 18,000 plus 5,000. That's just 23,000. And guys, that is not bad. Like, that's not bad at all. I've been talking so much. Let's see what this light actually does. This is the back of the light, and you just plug this in it. Oh. If I had more money to spare, I would have bought the batteries. As you can see, there are 2 spaces, 2 slots for batteries, but batteries were like 12,000. And I was like, so you can only use this light when there's power. If you have the batteries though, you'll be able to use it anytime you like, but this is just when there's power. So this is for the it's not on. Yeah, you have to the switch, you have to click it on. Is it on? Okay, it's on now. Good. So this is the light coming on. Obviously this is too bright for my face, but I mean, it's giving what it's supposed to give. Let me see if I can reduce this. Just obviously that was too bright. So if I want to talk, like, look at this is like perfect light right now, because it's just like soft, you know, it's warm, and you can change the tone. Yeah, something more subtle. This is a bit much for me, but and this isn't even the highest, bro. That is a lot. This is actually blinding me. If I close the curtains, like, and there was no light, you guys will actually see how bright it. You guys will actually see how bright it is. But because there's like so much natural light, you can't really tell. But just know that this light is like amazing, and you can close it to just like channel like one area. So yeah, this is my new light. I really like it. I feel like it was such a great buy. It was such an amazing buy. I can't lie to anybody. It's worth the money, and it is so small. Like I can put this in my bag. I can put this anywhere. Usually people get 2 of this, one for this side of the face and one for this side of the face, but I got only one. I think it's okay. If I have more money, maybe I'll get another one, but for now I actually really like this. Share this to like all your photography or makeup friends, you know, anybody that needs this video, anybody that you know needs light or like tripod. Or the store also has a bunch of gadgets, so don't hesitate to share and comment, like, all that good stuff. Subscribe. You're watching me right now, you're not subscribed, like, that's very shady business. So yeah, do the needful.